Hey guys, what's going on? So, greetings from Cannon Beach, Oregon. I'm here at the hotel room, and check out what I just made. This right here it's an awesome flying flicker, and I haven't really named it yet because I just designed it, but yeah, it's pretty cool. It's like a donut shape, and here's how it flies. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, I'll learn how to fold it. Ready, set, here goes. Alright, so for this flicker, I'm going to use a 6" square of origami paper, but you can use an ordinary sheet of printer paper cut square. So, let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. We're making a 4x4 grid of creases. Alright, and now fold to the crease. Alright, fold like that, and repeat on this side. And crease sharply. Okay, and now let's repeat in the other direction. So in half. And now fold to the crease. Alright, so there is our 4x4 grid of creases. And now, take this point and fold it to the nearest intersection right there. Alright, and repeat all the way around. Okay, and now let's fold this in half diagonally. So, take this edge and fold it to either. This is actually very similar to that UFO flicker that I taught recently. Alright, and now do it in the other direction. Okay, and now let's turn this into a pinwheel. So we're gonna just pick a corner. I'm gonna start with this one. So just pinch it like this on the crease, or folding this triangle in half, and then pinch those two edges as well, and then flatten this flap up like this and down like this. Alright, you can do that a couple times. Just get that crease loosen up, and now do that 3 more times. So I'm going to start here. So pinch this triangle right here, and you can fold this down too, and flatten it up like this. And flatten it both ways. Alright, now this one, fold on this crease, pinch the flap, and fold it both ways. Okay, now this last one, it's a little bit harder, but same thing, just kind of lift this edge up and fold the triangle in half, and then flatten the flap both ways. Okay, like this. So here we have a pinwheel-like thing, and now let's squash these 4 flaps. So I'm going to start with this one, so open this up, and squash the flaps down like that. So we have a blue triangle and a white triangle right there. And do that all the way around. So open the flap and squash it. Shouldn't be too hard because it's on the creases. Alright, just like this. And now we're going to petal fold these. So I'm going to zoom in for this so you can see. So you could just go ahead and make the petal fold, but since there's beginners, I'm going to show you an easier way. So take this raw edge and this raw edge and fold it to the middle line. Alright, and same here. Okay, and then now take this flap, fold it up about that much, and then let's refold on these 2 creases. Alright, and then pinch on that crease and this crease right here. And then now take this and flatten it upwards, like that. And there it is. That's the petal fold. And now repeat that 3 more times. So I'll show you again on this one. And then I'll fast forward these other two. So fold to the crease like this. Alright, lift this edge up about like that, and then refold on these two creases. And then pinch here and here. And then fold this flap up. Oh, and make sure that that crease aligns with that crease right there. That's how you know you're perfect. Okay, and now repeat on these two. Okay, just like this. And now turn the model over and take this point right here and fold it up like this. Fold it up as far as it goes and make sure that this point aligns with that crease. Alright, and do that with the remaining three. Okay, just like this. And now we're going to turn over like this and take this point and fold it up to here. Alright, and then do that 3 more times. Okay, unfold them, and then let's fold them inside, like this. So mount and fold them on the crease, and same all the way around. Okay, just like that. And now just crease everything sharply, make sure everything's flat, like this. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Alright, now let's, now comes one of the most difficult steps. So, for this we have to kind of unfold a couple of these folds. Actually, let's unfold all 4 of these, so we get them out of the way. Okay, so that wasn't the tricky part, this is the tricky part. So, we're gonna kind of get rid of this sticking out. So this is a challenging step, so good luck. So unfold like this, just enough so that you let me unfold it first. Just unfold it enough so that way you see these creases. So just about this much. Let's rotate it like this. And here we have a square of creases right here. Let's pinch them mountains. Like that. Alright, and then let's pinch these 2 creases as well. Alright, and then now we're going to kind of take this and we're going to flatten it down, and we're going to refold this inside like that, and then refold this part inside as well. Alright, and then now we're going to take these 2 edges right here and pinch them together like this. Make sure that flap stays inside. Alright, and then same right here. Alright, and then flatten it however it flattens. However it flattens is okay. It might crumble a little bit in the center, but that's okay. It's not really going to affect the flight. It's going to crumble a little bit, but that's alright. Alright, just like this. Alright, flatten those 2 sides and flatten this down. Like that. Okay. And then now take this flap and fold it up so that the fold we're making touches these 2 edges. Like this. Alright, and now you can unfold that for now. And now we're going to repeat that on the remaining 3. So here we go. So I'll show you the tricky step first. Let's unfold the flap for that. And now let's look inside. Undo these folds. And there's the square of creases. Pinch them mountains. Okay, and then fold it like this. I'm gonna go a little bit faster this time. And then let's refold that in like that. and then pinch that fold. Okay, in here. And then flatten that flat however it flattens. And remember, it's gonna crumble a little bit, but that's fine. Alright, just like that. And now do the same thing on here and here. Okay, just like this. And now let's fold them like this. Fold these up in between the edges. Okay, and now, oh, I forgot to do it on this last one. Alright, there we go. Okay, and now take these flaps we just folded and let's fold them inside like this. See? So they wrap around the edges like that. And make sure it wraps tightly around the edges so this model will fly better. And then crease that nice and sharp. And do that 3 more times. Okay. And now if the paper is kind of up right here on the corners, you can just make a pleat right there. Just to kind of flatten it down. Flatten it however it flattens. This really isn't the cleanest model in the world, but I just really like how it flies. Alright, and pretty much done. We just need to just crease everything sharply. Like this. Alright, now it flies good like this, so this is octagonal, but if you want it to be round like this, then what you can do is just turn over and fold these points in to taste. Just to taste like this, however you want. Alright, and now it's round and flatten everything really well. Alright, once you did that, here is our flicker done. And that was a pretty challenging model, but I hope you were able to fold it. And yeah, and now let's see how it flies. So I'll show you how it flies right now. Alright, so this model is just like an ordinary flicker, so you just hold it like this, and I'm going to flick it right here. So just flick it and find the sweet spot. Oh yeah. And here's another one right here. This is the one I showed in the intro. Oh, that went far. So let me go get him. Okay, one more time. One more time with this one. Ooh, nailed the TV. Ooh, yeah. So there you have it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that. And make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.